Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Chrysler 300 and 300C 2005 to 2010? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The front engine compartment fuse box in 2005 Chrysler 300 and 300C manages power distribution to critical engine and electrical systems, ensuring proper operation of major components. The front engine compartment fuse box in 2006 and 2007 Chrysler 300 and 300C controls power supply to essential systems like the engine, cooling, and lighting. The front engine compartment fuse box in 2008 to 2010 Chrysler 300 and 300C distributes electrical power to key vehicle systems, including engine management, lighting, and climate control. Engine compartment fuse box. The rear engine compartment fuse box in 2005 Chrysler 300 and 300C supports power distribution to secondary systems like rear defroster, audio, and convenience features. It ensures circuit protection by disconnecting power during overloads or malfunctions. The rear engine compartment fuse box in 2006 and 2007 Chrysler 300 and 300C manages electrical supply for auxiliary systems such as power seats, audio, and rear window functions. It safeguards these circuits by preventing damage from electrical overloads or short circuits. The rear engine compartment fuse box in 2008 and 2009 Chrysler 300 and 300C controls power distribution for comfort, entertainment, and rear accessory systems. It also provides essential circuit protection by interrupting power during faults or overload conditions. The rear engine compartment fuse box in 2010 Chrysler 300 and 300C distributes power to various rear electrical systems, including entertainment, climate control, and accessory features. It ensures circuit safety by cutting off power during electrical malfunctions or overloads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, Standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.